This is latte, and this is putumaya. Putumaya, so typical ibos, no, rice, glutinous rice with that you can dip with sesame seed and sugar. Yeah, there is a tiramisu out there, and that is latte, Spanish latte. No? So you could see this here in the Coffee Gallery at Capella.
Wala na siya. I think that's enough now. And then I put it here now. Sure, that's how you eat it.
Yeah, that's how we eat it. We need to take a video because we're climber.
Ni nung video mo ni mo.
What the? Is it good? Is it good?
Wa pa nga ni, uwi man.
Oh. Oops. Bawal natin expose ang mukha.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.